Hey, what is up everybody? Today I'm going to be making this foaming shower oil, and the secret ingredient to make this is Lumorol. This is literally all oils, it's oil based, has Lumorol in it, and it lathers. And I could not have made this without the help of my friend Jenna. I'll let her introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Jenna. I run Reviga in the UK and I teach people how to formulate cosmetics and understand the UK cosmetic regulations. I also do a bit of business mentoring. I came across Tara when I was looking for a particular ingredient to formulate with and was just really impressed with her formulation knowledge. We got talking and it turns out that in America you can't get hold of Lumorol very easily. So I kindly sent her some because quite frankly I'm interested to see what she comes up with and what she thinks of it. So I'm going to pass this over to her now and see how she gets on.
Thanks so much for sending this over, Jenna. I have not been able to find it from any suppliers in the US, so I really appreciate you doing this for me. I will be linking down below to UK suppliers because it's the only place I know where to purchase this stuff. I did reach out to some suppliers here in the US that I regularly buy from, and I requested to see if they could start carrying this stuff, so who knows, hopefully that'll happen. Anyways, definitely go check out Jenna's channel. She is located in the UK, so she can help out a lot of you guys who are also in the UK. Let's talk about Lumorol now. So the full name of Lumorol is Lumorol K5229, and here is the inky name. I noticed there are other products out there that go by the name Lumorol, so don't get those confused. It is a water-free blend of surfactants that are anionic and non-ionic. When it's mixed with oil, it makes a very good cleansing product for shower oils or foaming bath oils. And when it comes into contact with water, it self-emulsifies into a white oil and water emulsion, which cleanses and then rinses off very well. And it's recommended to be used anywhere between 35% to 65%. And they even provide example recipes to make a shower oil and a foaming bath melt. That sounds nice. So we're gonna start with phase A, and I'm making a 200 gram batch. All we need for this phase is 120 grams of Lumorol, that is 60%. All right, now moving on to phase B, this is where you're just going to combine all of your oils. I'm using 60 grams of jojoba oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. Jenna used different oils in the version she made. I think it was like a few months ago when she posted her foaming shower oil. So I just changed up my oils and I followed her same formula. And then I added in 17 grams of watermelon seed oil, that is 8.5%. So now you just want to combine both your phase A and B and mix them together. Actually, you probably could have just added all this together in the same beaker. That would have wasted less dishes, so you can do that if you want. It should all blend perfectly fine that way. Moving on to phase C, I'm gonna add in some vitamin E oil. I'm using 1 gram, and then I'm gonna add in 2 grams of my fragrance oil. I used peach fragrance oil from naturesgarden.com. That's where I purchase a lot of my fragrance oils, I've noticed. But yeah, just mix all that together, and there you go. That's your finished foaming shower oil. All you need is a bottle to pack it in. I'm using this 4-ounce glass bottle with a pump. I will link down below to some similar bottles. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll link down below to some similar bottles on Amazon because the pumps I used to buy for these bottles, they don't fit anymore. So I don't know where to buy these in bulk anymore. Sorry about that, but I will link to some on Amazon. And yeah, literally all you do to use this is a pump, like 1 or 2 pumps. I've been using 2 pumps each time on a loofah. Just massage that in like you would use a body wash. I feel like I'm explaining this and I don't need to because it's really self-explanatory, but that's it. And you just lather and you just wash your body. You use it just like a body wash, not like a body oil, because it washes away. You don't want to leave it on. You want to wash it away. So I guess that probably isn't self-explanatory. You just make sure you wash it off. All right, Luna's meowing. She wants to hang out with me. But make sure you guys go check out Jenna's channel. Don't forget, subscribe to her channel, show her some love, and leave a comment on her channel letting her know that I sent you. All right, thanks so much, guys. You're all amazing.
one to listen.